Hey guys, today is a very busy day at Status Media and we are at office. Everyone's busy, so let's go have a look at what everyone's up to. Everyone's busy, everyone's working. Ritik, how many coffees have you had so far?
I think two.
Two? Yeah. Banu, which music were you listening to?
I'm listening to Don't You Worry Child by Swedish House Mafia. Don't you worry, child.
Naveen looks like he's working, so do not want to disturb him. Oh, hi. So, how's work going so far?
Going good. Feeling sleepy.
How many errors have you made?
Around I'm on 12.
Not bad. The CEO is busy all the time. So nice. And we have Abhin behind the camera. Abhin? Don't you want to show your face?
Hi guys, we are the creative team of Statice and we are just making a mini vlog with everyone. So still, okay, our
Stay tuned.
CEO, no.
Oh.
CEO just finished the call. Let's ask him how's the day.
So, Nidhi, hi, come here. Okay. So, how you doing?
I'm doing good.
Yeah, how's work?
Very hectic. What
What is that?
coffee?
Which coffee?
Black coffee.
Crazy. Sugar is that?
No sugar.
What's the secret ingredient in the coffee?
Sugar.
So, Abhin, come here. So, Abhin and I are behind the content. He's like a really busy man. And yeah, we're behind all that.
Sorry. Yeah, tell, busy man.
Abhin's a very busy man. He's like the busiest of all.
Thank you guys.
Anyway, we create some crazy content. Don't you think so?
Obviously, we do.
You wait. Anyway,
So we have a marketing agency. So we are having shit.
so we had some heavy lunch, okay? We had Meghna's Pizza Bakery. It's fun here. So, okay, it's done. Hello.
Hi guys.
So, do you love doing what you're doing?
I mean, I have to love what I'm doing. I need to pay salaries. But yeah, just kidding. Yeah, I mean, of course, I love what I'm doing. It's very exciting, and we get to work with a wide variety of clients every day. It's always interesting to get to know about new industries, new businesses coming up. So it is kind of a very creative space, and it's a very innovative space. And as you guys would have seen, every day is a challenge. Every day is something where we focus on something new. So yeah, I love what I'm doing, and I like working with all of you. I like working with the team.
This is Status Media, and we have a lot of fun working here. And why are you staring? This is Banu. This is Nidhi. That's Ritik. Yeah, obviously, this is Naveen. And that's Vaibhav, the CEO. Everyone say bye.